So.
No so's. No so's.
Oh my god, I always start with so.
No so.
So. You may have received the memo that hyaluronic acid is amazing for your skin, but did you know that some hyaluronic acid is sourced from animals?
Today we're going to show you a few products that have hyaluronic acid that are vegan, vegetarian sourced, and why you should be using them.
We know you all want plump and hydrated skin, and you've come to the right place to learn how that can be achieved.
One of the products we're going to share today has been a top seller at the Green Beauty Collective for ages.
Since day one.
Since day one, and our customers freaking love it.
So, let's get this show on the road. The first point we want to cover is animal hyaluronic versus vegetable hyaluronic. And in skincare, hyaluronic is always called sodium hyaluronate. And this is the sodium salt of hyaluronic acid. And traditionally and naturally, it's from an animal. And this can be usually taken from the combs on roosters' heads, or actually from a layer inside of the animal's eye. For a vegan or vegetarian source of sodium hyaluronate, you want to make sure to actually inquire with the vendor of the product that you're choosing. And sometimes it will say vegan or cruelty-free on the label, but you don't actually know where it's coming from. So make sure to inquire and find out where they're sourcing it from. Typically, a lot of the sources that we use are coming from a fermented root vegetable. And so again, you always want to ask just to make sure.
The second point we're going to cover about hyaluronic acid is what does it do? How does it work? Hyaluronic acid is a molecule that occurs naturally in the body, and when we're born with it, we have lots of it. It makes our cheeks nice and squishy, and as we get older, it depletes over time. So this is when we start supplementing or using a product to add some of that hyaluronic acid back into the skin and keep that plump, hydrated feeling. A molecule of hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water, and it kind of acts like a sponge. So when you have a little bit of water on the skin and you add that hyaluronic acid to it, it'll plump up the skin. It helps to reduce fine lines, especially around the eyes. You'll notice, maybe on the top lip area, even just in general, your skin feels a lot more hydrated.
It's also a humectant, which means it draws moisture to your skin. And so this is also an added benefit of hyaluronic acid.
Some products will have a little bit of water in them, and then some you need to add a toner first and then put your hyaluronic over top. It varies a little bit. The one thing you have to keep in mind with hyaluronic acid is it is a product that you have to continue using over time. If you stop using this product, your skin is just going to go back to normal. It'll probably start to feel a little dehydrated again. So this is a product you have to continuously use, and you'll continue to feel and see the benefits of it.
We want to know if you've tried hyaluronic acid yourself. If you have, did you like it, and what were your results like? Comment below and let us know. The next point we want to make are the products that we recommend that we carry that have hyaluronic acid in them. And we've always loved hyaluronic acid, so we look for products that have this ingredient in it. And the first product we want to mention is our top selling product, and this is the Viva Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is very, very popular, and we like to recommend it in a few different ways. So the first thing is by adding it onto the skin, and what we do is we spritz a little bit of toner on our skin, or just splash your face with water, and then put one drop and spread it all over the face. And the second way to use this is around the eyes, kind of like an eye cream. This will help with fine lines and wrinkles. It'll really help kind of plump and smooth the area. And then the third way that we like to recommend it is actually just mixing it in with your water-based moisturizer. It's gonna help draw that product deeper into the skin. And this is a technique that you've been using, and Amanda really likes mixing it into her moisturizer.
I call it a super hydration booster. When I put a drop or two in my water-based moisturizer, it makes a huge difference with how my skin feels. The next product we're going to show you is the Woodlot toner. This is in a dropper form, and this is a rose water and hyaluronic acid mixed together, which is amazing because rose water is very hydrating and calming for the skin. The hyaluronic acid is obviously hydrating and plumping, so they work together. And this product I also really love. This is one of my favorites. I use it daily, morning and night. And how I use this product and how we demo it in skincare workshops, you simply take a little bit of this, put it in the palm of your hand, Are you ready? And then you press it, love it into your skin. It's so good. Right? So that's how I do the Woodlot toner.
So the last product we want to talk about is the collagen and hyaluronic mask from Viva. And although the molecule of collagen is too large to penetrate the skin, it's not actually going to get deep enough into the layer that you need collagen, but it is a humectant, so it will do the same thing as the hyaluronic acid, drawing moisture to the skin, and it's also quite soothing and smoothing, so you are going to notice that your skin is super hydrated, smooth, and just looking really fresh. So this is perfect for a lazy night in. If you have a big event the next day, so we recommend our brides use this a night or two before their wedding.
Post-flight,
or while you're on your flight. I take this sometimes and I'll put it on for the last 30 minutes of the flight. So this is a really nice addition if you have something going on in your life or if you just want a relaxing evening at home.
If you have very dry skin, adding hyaluronic acid into your routine with these other products and tips will help your skin feel softer and way more hydrated. Check out our video called Simple Natural Skincare Tips for Super Dry Skin using Green Beauty products.
So there you have it. We hope you feel more educated about hyaluronic acid and curious to add some hydrating molecules into your skincare routine.
Hydrating molecules. Do you want to learn more and engage with people just like you? We have an amazing online community called the Green Beauty Community. This is your opportunity to be a part of a group that discusses natural products, techniques, and for you to ask any burning questions you may have or advice that you may need. You can find the link to the page in the description bar below. Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to also share with your fellow natural beauty lovers.
And as always, we will see you next Tuesday.